binalikan ko ang pinanggalingan ko. Andito ako ngayon. Yan. Ayan siya. Ayan, umuulan na, guys. Ayan na siya, umuulan. Maybe they will get angry. So, there. What is that? Yeah. It's very nice. There's lots of building out there. Yeah, there's lots of people now. What is that? This one. This is the new one.
That's a nice. That's been there a long time.
Yeah.
Maybe